Hello guys, good day. So my topic today is how can you use your mobile phone as a camera to your PC. Okay, so I actually recently discovered this while searching for a PC camera. Actually bought one camera. This one. This is a 1080 camera, but still the quality is not good when you install it in your PC. So this one I got curious, so I checked this uh, blog on how we can use my cell phone as my camera for my PC. And I tried it and it worked, so that's good. So my camera now is good quality and high definition because I like the front camera of my cell phone. Its cell phone is X3, Realme X3. So yep. So now we'll discuss how can you do the same. Okay, so you can save some money buying a front camera and you can have a good quality video when you have a Zoom meeting. I actually currently using Zoom to record this vlog. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, it shows IBCam. Okay, this is the app that I use so I can connect my PC to my cell phone and use my cell phone as my camera. Okay, so first thing you need to do is to install IBCam on your cell phone. Get it from Play Store or the any store that your PC is using. Okay, okay, and then download and install it. And then also Google iBecome, okay, and click the first link, this one. Okay, so this is their website. So just download for Windows, download this app for Windows, then install it. Okay, so there's a guide here, like this one. You can see connect via Wi-Fi, connect via USB, connect multiple phones. So you can use this guide and use iBecome in Zoom. I'm actually currently using iBecome in Zoom. So I installed iBecome on my cell phone, I installed it on my PC. Then when you open the app, it will search for the PC. And when you open this app in your PC, it will wait for connection. Okay, it will show, it will pop up that waiting for connection. Actually, the first time I tried, I used a USB cable, connect it, and it worked. I just connect it, and then it auto detect the application, your cell phone, and I can just very easy to use. Okay, so it's almost automated. And then I can now use the my cell phone as camera. And then today I tried without just without even using a cable, it got connected, and I show how it got connected. Maybe via Wi-Fi. I guess via Wi-Fi because my Bluetooth is off. Okay, so I guess it's connected by Wi-Fi. So that's a good thing. So here, as you can see here, there's a guide how you can connect in your Zoom. Okay, so it looks like this is an old Zoom settings, but yep. Let me open Zoom. In here, you can set your video. Okay, video setting. Okay, just click HD and select your camera. E2 is of iBecam. Select that one. That's all you need to do. Okay, and then on my audio, can also uh, select it as your source of microphone if you want to use your cell phone and connect your headphone to your cell phone. But I actually use this headphone and connect this to my PC, so that's why I selected it. So this is a USB headphone. So yeah, that's how easy it is to set up. So now you can see me now. Like this, I think this is really good, and the video quality is really good. So yeah, that's all. That's all, guys. So hope you learned something, and you can use this. You can use your phone as your camera. Give it a try. Thanks for watching.